In this video, we're going to learn about treble crochets, which are often sometimes called triple crochets. But I've just made a little starting swatch of a few double crochets just to give myself something to work into. A treble crochet takes 4 turning chains, 3, 4. And to create a treble crochet, you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch. And of course, this turning chain counts as a stitch, so you don't work directly into that first stitch. We work into this one. So yarn over and pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and that's a treble crochet. Let's do that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And then I'd just like to show you that you can actually do stitches of just about any height using that technique. A double treble, you yarn over 3 times and use the same technique. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and then just keep pulling through 2 at a time. And then let's just say we want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yarn overs. I don't think that stitch would really have a name, but we could do the same thing, just keep working those stitches 2 at a time until we had a really tall stitch like this. And then I've got another little piece started here of just double crochet to try to explain to you why we have the number of turning chains that we do, so that then if you're creating your own very tall stitches, you'll know how many. So for double crochet, we know that we have 3 turning chains, and let me explain to you why. It's because you pull the yarn through 3 times. So if I yarn over and insert my hook, I'm pulling it through a stitch 1 time, 2 times, 3 times to create a double crochet, and that's why we have a 3-stitch turning chain. On a treble crochet, we pull through 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and that's why we have a 4-stitch turning chain. Let's create that 5 yarn over stitch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and see how many turning chains we'd need there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'd need 7 turning chains to make such a tall stitch as this. And then that's not a hard and fast rule. If you find that if you make 7, it's too floppy, and if you make 6, it really seems to work better, then you can do that. But that's the formula for how you decide how many turning chains you need when you make a super tall stitch. And then here I just have a quick example. Here's a swatch of treble crochet completed. And then just for fun, I kind of did a swatch where I started with a row of double crochet, started with a couple treble crochets, and then a couple double trebles, and then just made a couple taller stitches just to show. So here are some examples of how you can make treble crochets and taller stitches.